not far away. I went to visit for a day. Got covered with some gooey ooze that changed my DNA. Now I try to act normal, keep my cool while other kids play after school. I turn into a prehistoric hero. I'm in the Dino Squad. I'm in the Dino Squad.
Noonde-dibaadojigaazo Gichi-aya'aawishag Gaa-izhi-dibendaagoziwaad. A tabloid TV reporter comes searching for a Gichi-dibendaagoziwaad, but Caruso's pursuit of fame may just put the entire secret of the Gichi-aya'aawishag Gaa-izhi-dibendaagoziwaad at risk. Noonde-dibaadojigaazo Ambe Gagaawinawendaagozi.
What a crazy crash! Are you guys okay? This is Rotterdam, Medashwe Ashaniwan calling for assistance. Miigwech, nothing got loose.
Welcome back to our show. Nungum, we begin a new feature, Strange Journeys into Strangeness with Miguel O'Ryan. Me, Miguel O'Ryan, and I'm reporting from Alabama, where last week there were Niswe sightings of actual live Gichi-aya'aawishag.
Can you believe this pompous fraud? Gichi, at least hide the zippers.
Here we have an eyewitness to the Gichi-aya'aawishag attack.
Gagaawinawendaagozi attack.
Me neither. I'd say it was more of a rampage. Here we see the devastation.
That wasn't the Gichi-aya'aawishag. That was a tornado Niswe years ago. We still haven't rebuilt.
I think the circus is missing its clown.
He's on National Noonde-dibaadojigaazo, so he must be doing something right.
Gichi-aya'aawishag are very dangerous. If you see one, call my hotline at 999-zino-bejig-nish-niswe.
Niswe.
I'm picking up some massive Gichi-aya'aawishag energy readings.
Location?
Winnipeg, Manitoba.
Road trip.
Niswe.
Caruso, Gegi na?
A little privacy?
Oh, sorry, Nietzsche. Gigawatman downstairs.
Yes, Buju. Ndaganu nana Miguel O'Ryan?
Anything?
It's off the grid. Ambe Gagaawinawendaagozi. This makes no sense whatsoever.
Sure it does. You need to take better care of your instruments. Think there's somewhere we could get a fried bread taco?
Have you seen anything strange in the vicinity?
Well, there's the Bajuman one here in Unish.
Wegunen on my tabloid weshtut.
Same thing we are. Looking for dino mutants. But how did he know to come here?
Daga!
Why did you call him?
Call who? House, I called Orion. What's the big deal?
Having him underfoot's gonna make it really hard to maintain our anonymity.
Long as Orion doesn't see us changing into Gichi-aya'aawishag miigwech, and he'll be my ticket to fame.
Your quest for glory has jeopardized our Anokiwan.
Proving myself to Orion is the abapekaigan to getting my very own show. Erwin Caruso, the Gichi-aya'aawishag whisperer.
Gun. Your first name is Erwin?
Bapin minikashkituyan, I'm gonna be famous.
Kinkuta bapin minikushkatuyan. Your selfishness is gonna lead to big trouble.
Much as away. You the one who called?
Sure am.
What did you see?
Well, going my ship, but I know something's here.
Daga-san-na, another one. Call me when you have more than a hunch, Mina.
Oh, me nange.
Gichi-aya'aawish. I get him now, eh?
Don't just stand there, Morty. Bimina-ja. We're gonna Dino my wish to one.
I was tracking a stegosaurus, Gaa-izhi-dibendaagoziwaad. Tracking a steg takes finesse. Gagaawinawendaagozi running after the ice cream man.
You have experience tracking these things?
Me gay, and I'm more than GK and dumb to help you. So tell me, Meek, how does one break into broadcast journalism?
I'm not finding anything.
And I'm finding a little too much. Do I even have to remind you we're supposed to keep a low profile?
Says the star quarterback.
That's a whole different...
Yeah, but you get to be Gichi-miigwech, and Buzz gets to walk around with hair like a deranged Gichi-baka. Come on.
Hey.
Ambe the second I want to do something for myself, you all get up in my grill.
But they're using their natural abilities, not their Gichi-aya'aawishag powers.
I'm not using my Gichi-aya'aawishag powers, just my Gichi-aya'aawishag know-how. You gonna complain about that?
Putting your personal agenda ahead of our own key win is not only selfish, it's dangerous.
You have no right to put the rest of us in danger.
How so? I get it. Naminja no ways.
This doesn't make sense. Based on these readings, we should be right on top of... Oh, now it makes sense. Hand these down to me. Gichi-miigwech. Huh? Caruso, you coming? Oh, hi.
So, ready to cover this thing, partner?
Miigwech, but that's not how I roll. I work beji-go.
Work alone? What about...
Miigwech, Morty, but I don't need help dealing with the locals.
He'll have no choice once I'm the one that leads him to the Dibendaagoziwaad, eh, Buzz? Buzz? Whoops.
Hey, Gichi-aya'aawishag, Shkayana Bikinawa, big giant mutants. Oh, hi. Oh, hi indeed. Gagaawinawendaagozi cheese. Time to go Gichi-aya'aawishag.
Oh, Gichi! Gichi-aya'aawishag. Me oko! Oh, Gichi! Gichi-aya'aawishag. Me winja Gagaawinawendaagoziwaad. Me oko way!
That's right. The Buzzmeister.
Oh! Nice scream. What'd I miss?
How self-centered do you have to be to leave your friend in a sewer?
Gagaawinawendaagozi?
Big Gichi-aya'aawishag. Lots and lots of them.
Where'd they come from? Think Velocity set them free?
Or maybe some of his primordial goop got spilled somewhere near here?
If it was a spill, we'd better find it before the Odana is filled with the Nunduk mutated Aya'aawishag. By the way, didn't we agree we were going to avoid the media?
You agreed. That's not how I roll.
Did he just say that?
Who cares what he films, so long as nobody sees us change into Gichi-aya'aawishag, and if they see us curing Aya'aawishag, the Dino Squad will be famous.
Who said we wanted to be famous? That's your dream, not ours.
Simple choice, Caruso. Are you here with Ninowind, or are you Miguel's apprentice?
An ultimatum? Now who's being selfish?
Should I go after him?
Get your mutated ego later. Get your mutated Gagaawinawendaagozi now.
Oh, Gichi! Gichi-aya'aawishag. Me winja Gagaawinawendaagoziwaad. Me oko way!
Lucky me. Being a Gichi-aya'aawishag that tracks by smell, I get sewer detail. Where can they be? Misagwe. Niche possible ways they could have gone. Well, no use complaining. Let's get to searching.
Fiona takes the low road, and Buzz takes the high road.
So far, no sign of a spill site, and no Gichi-aya'aawishag.
Miko taye! Shkayana been at that big flying paycheck. How you doing there, Mort?
I'm seeing awards.
As you can see, the Pteranodon is a majestic Aya'aawish, born to spiral in the blusterous clouds.
Wegunin dash Gagaawinawendaagozi. Get out of the shot!
What? Was something wrong with my hair?
You're Stigwan. Keep it out of my shots!
As you can see, pteranodons have a wingspan larger than that of a...
Stigwan, are you trying to sabotage my report?
Gaawin, I'm trying to make it informative. With my expertise...
You don't have any expertise. You're just trying to hog my spotlight. Morty's Jigonin sacrificed day after day, bringing Dibachimuin to selfish glory hounds like Geen. Now, if you don't mind, I have to shoot more footage for my Gichi-dibachimuin.
Well, really? I'm the one shooting.
You want to debate, Morty, or you want to help?
No lair, no spill site. I couldn't find evidence of anything.
Mano mia, Fiona. We found plenty. Duggo, a tire blew out Ojibwe. Judging by these skid marks, a big truck had itself a small accident.
Looks like the lab rat outgrew its leg tag.
This has Raptordyne written all over it.
You're telling Aneen?
Like we don't have enough troubles without Velocity and his corporation constantly around.
We have to track them down.
Gig it. Recapture them before they cause any trouble.
Gaawin, just track them. They can cause all the damage they want. I want to see how my creations adapt in the wild.
Got here as fast as I could. What have we got?
I miss anything?
Lab rats, and we're guessing they headed that way.
What makes you think they headed in this direction? I take back my question.
I think we're surrounded.
Anyone bring along some cheddar? Or some feta? Or some brie, maybe? Swiss? Anyone bring a little of that? Mozzarella? Gouda?
Are you done? If so...
I mean, there's probably some more types I can name.
Oh, Gypsy! Gichi-aya'aawishag, Gagaawinawendaagoziwaad, Ambe-jiga-minditawad. Me oh go!
Nichik! Gaawin! Ugh!
What gives?
You're scaring them off!
Well, yeah.
Scatter the pack and we'll never track them all down. Best bet's keeping them together, find the lair, cure all of them at the same time. Fiona, you're our resident bloodhoundosaurus. Do the honors? Gonna get that booze?
The scent's getting really strong.
Miigwech, they're thriving wonderfully in the wild.
Velocity.
Oh, Gypsy! Me oh go!
I knew I smelled a rat.
How so? So how do we get to the rats without Velocity seeing us?
First step would be getting him out of the picture.
And how do we get him to Maja? In great invitation?
Exactly! You guys stay here and take care of business.
Ninawendeta, Kindash?
Neen, the invitation.
Oh, Gypsy! Gichi-aya'aawishag, Gagaawinawendaagoziwaad, Gichi-dibendaagoziwaad, Dino Squad. Oh no!
Morty, did you see that?
I mean, I'm gay.
Did you get that?
I mean, I'm gay. The local was in the shot too. That okay?
Congrats, local. When this hits the media, you're going to be seen by billions of Aoya across the globe.
Wonderful.
Boppin', is he all good?
Gagaawinawendaagozi. We need to see how big that thing is compared to an
And
obimatasi.
how are we supposed to compare it to a human?
Easy.
Huh?
Through an Abenuji, I Gichi-aya'aawish?
When it comes to the Gichi-dibachimuin, we all have to sacrifice.
Don't ask.
Ambe, Dr. Vic. You really gonna let this one get away?
After it! Don't let it get away!
Gaawin, this one's mine. No one's stealing my Gichi-dibendaagoziwaad.
You threw me at a T-Rex? I am so not done with you! I cannot believe I ever want to be like that selfish jerk.
Now to lose these jokers.
Was this van made for off-roading?
You gonna ask questions or you gonna get me my footage?
The windshield's too dirty to.
Then hang out the window! You are not stealing my Gichi-dibendaagoziwaad. It's mine! Mine! You getting this?
Hey, yeah, and it's world class.
Ango miss! The acclaim I deserve!
Noonde-dibaadojigaazo, they're my shots.
Stop being selfish. This is my moment of glory.
Once more into the breach, Nichik. On my mark. Now, it's chillin' and spillin' time.
No sign of them.
Oh, Gichi-aya'aawishag, Gaa-izhi-dibendaagoziwaad.
You there! Did you see anything pass through here?
Did I? It was Gaawin, you'd never believe. Well, it sure looked like a Gichi-aya'aawishag.
Which way?
Where'd it go?
You threw me at a Gichi-aya'aawishag! Who does that?
That Abenuji who changed it to the Gichi-aya'aawishag. You know where to find him? If you do, we'll all be rich and famous.
Don't do it, Caruso.
You say you got me in the shot? May I see?
Hamayet, whatever. Do you recognize him or not?
Probably. Let me get a good look at him first, though. Oh, my hair is perfect! And you got my good side!
Caruso, don't.
This is so gonna launch my Mazanate Bitch Again series, Erwin Caruso, the Gichi-aya'aawishag.
Gaawin!
Don't worry, we can easily salvage the footage. Gichi-aya'aawishag.
Nietzsche, I am so sorry. I'll buy you a new one, I promise.
Whew.
Makaj, you lost my footage!
Your footage. Your footage. How is it always your footage when I'm the one always hanging off buildings and cliffs and off-roading vehicles? I'm the one who shoots the footage. And you know what he does? You hog the limelight at everybody else's expense. You horrible, horrible inanimals.
Now that's entertainment.
Anyone bring the popcorn?
The Gichi-dibendaagoziwaad of the century, Apane! You ruined everything! Everything!
To be fair, you still have your health.
Wigonin! Gagitna? Are you sure? Are you sure you're sure? Somebody over in Saskatoon spotted a Philoceratops.
A Philohuatomps?
You bring a spare camera? I'm finally gonna win a ton of awards!
We gotta get to Saskatoon.
Oh, that won't be necessary. Somehow I doubt Orion will be finding any Philoceratops.
Wabaganujiak, man's best friend. You like your new home, little Nichik? Do you, huh? Do you?
Sorry for causing so much trouble, guys. I guess I was being pretty selfish back there.
Fame and fortune not worth risking your Ouija-wakanak for?
Not unless you're a complete and total jerk like that Orion guy.
I'm really blown away by the way you dropped that Mazana Kizigan like that. You did drop it on purpose, didn't you?
And ruin all of Orion's hard work? Do I really strike you as nearly that selfish?
I'm in the Dino Squad. On a beautiful beach not far away, I went to visit. visit for a day. Got covered with some gooey ooze that changed my DNA. Now I try to act normal, keep my cool while other kids play after school. I turn into a prehistoric hero. I'm in.